Security forces gunned down 4 militants believed to be cadres of United Kuki National Army (UKNA) during an encounter that took place this morning at Kanpi village in Churachandpur. The incident occurred when a team comprising personnel of both the army and the Assam Rifles came under attack during a combing operation at Kanpi village, which comes under Henglip subdivision of Churachandpur. The slain cadres are suspected to be members of the United Kuki National Army (UKNA), an armed group not part of the suspension of operations Sioux agreement. A statement issued by Army and Assam Rifles informed that terrorists resorted to unprovoked firing on an army column at Kanpi village, approximately 80 km west of Churachandpur. In the ensuing firefight between security forces and armed cadres of UKNA and 4 cadres of the terrorist groups were neutralized. The operation follows recent atrocities by the UKNA cadres, including the killing of a village chief, intimidation of locals, and attempts to disrupt peace and stability in the region. Sources said the operation was still underway and the process was on for the identification of the deceased cadres.